All right, this is a problem off your homework. We're going to work on converting from word equations and then predicting both. So this is the number 1 off the very bottom of your homework for this week, week 15. So first, calcium bromide plus copper 1 nitrate. So we got to convert this. This is a word equation into a chemical equation. So calcium, you find on the periodic tables, Ca. Bromide is the same as bromine on the periodic table. We changed the name "ide" to make it a compound name. Calcium Br. But now this is what you have to think. Calcium's in group 2, so it's a positive 2 positive charge, and bromine's in group 17, so it wants to gain 1 electron, so it's a 1 negative charge or a negative 1 charge. So what do we need more of? Positive 2, negative 1, we need another bromine. So this all equals negative 2 plus positive 2 equals 0. So it's CaBr2 plus, what is it, copper 1 nitrate. Copper is Cu, not Co. Cu, and the 1 means it has a positive 1 charge, or a 1 positive charge. Nitrate, you'll find on your little sheet, it looks like this, NO3 negative. And so this does not mean negative 3, this means 3 oxygens per every 1 nitrogen. And all of that 1 unit, it has a 1 negative charge. It's negative 1 charge. So NO3 is nitrate. You do not have that memorized, that's on your polyatomic sheet. NO3 and has a negative 1 charge. So what do we need more of? Negative 1 plus positive 1 is already 0, so this is good. CuNO3. So now to predict this, I don't want to label this, I want to figure out what type of reaction this is. There's 2 elements here, so AB plus 2 elements here is CB. This predicts that the only one that has this is a double replacement reaction. That means 2 of them are going to switch, and the ones that are most similar are going to switch partners. So calcium's a metal, copper is a metal. They're both cations, they're both first in the equation, they're going to switch partners. They're not going to be together. So calcium, write that first, is not paired with bromine anymore, and it's switching partners with copper. So now it's going to be paired with D, which is nitrate. That's a D. Nitrate. So calcium nitrate is one product. But we have to balance this. This has to be paired together, have a total net charge of 0. Calcium we already have is positive 2 positive, and nitrate is already, we know that's negative 1. So what do we need more of? We need another nitrate. So how do I represent, this is negative 2 plus positive 2 equals 0. How do I represent 2 nitrates? You should be thinking parentheses. Outside of that 3, and then you represent the 2 by putting a 2 outside that parentheses. So this is calcium nitrate plus copper, and they switch partners. So this is becoming AD plus CB. And C is copper, B is bromine. So we already have copper 1 is a positive 1 charge, and bromine is, over here we see it's a negative 1 negative charge. Positive 1 plus negative 1 is already balanced out to 0, so it's CuBr. Now, that's predicting the product, so that is done. And then, of course, we have to balance this, but that is for a different PowerPoint. So this equation is not balanced, but these are the correct products.